Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled AI Ethics and Safety. Building AI that's fair, safe, and trustworthy. Just like building a house needs a strong foundation and safety codes, building AI needs ethics and safety. It's not just for philosophers. It's for you, the person writing the code, training the models, and bringing AI to life. We'll learn why making AI fair, safe, and trustworthy isn't just nice to have, but essential for creating great, impactful AI solutions that benefit everyone. Imagine training a facial recognition AI using only pictures of people from one specific group. When it encounters someone outside that group, it might struggle or make mistakes. This is asterisk bias. AI learns from the data we feed it. If the data is biased, e.g., historical datasets with underrepresented groups, the AI will learn and reflect that bias, leading to unfair outcomes. As a developer, you're like the chef picking ingredients. You need to ensure your data ingredients are diverse and balanced to avoid making a biased dish. Sometimes, AI models are like a black box. You put data in, get an answer out, but have no idea how it got there. If an AI denies someone a loan, shouldn't we know why? Transparency means understanding the general workings of an AI. Explainability means being able to show why it made a specific decision for a specific input. As a developer, you're building systems that might affect lives. You need to design them so you and others can peek inside the box and understand its logic, not just trust it blindly. AI thrives on data, often personal data. Think about an AI that recommends products based on your past purchases. That's great, but what if your purchase history falls into the wrong hands? Privacy is about respecting and protecting user data. Security is about safeguarding that data from unauthorized access or misuse. As a developer, you're like a bank teller handling sensitive information. You must ensure data is stored securely, used only for its intended purpose, and anonymized whenever possible to protect your users. If a self-driving car gets into an accident, who is responsible? The car? The manufacturer? The developer? Accountability means knowing who to hold responsible when AI makes a mistake or causes harm. As a developer, you're not just coding, you're designing systems that have real-world impacts. This means building in safeguards, conducting thorough testing, implementing clear error handling, and understanding the potential consequences of your AI's actions. It's about designing for robustness and having a plan when things don't go perfectly. Imagine an AI controlling a power plant. It needs to be incredibly safe and robust, meaning it can handle unexpected situations without failing or causing harm. Safety is about preventing unintended negative consequences. Robustness is about ensuring your AI performs reliably even when faced with unusual inputs or conditions, like corrupted data. As a developer, you're like an engineer designing a bridge. You need to test it under extreme conditions, anticipate potential weaknesses, and build in redundancies to ensure it's stable and safe for everyone. Ultimately, we want to build AI that people can trust. Trustworthiness comes from consistently demonstrating fairness, transparency, privacy, safety, and accountability. It also means recognizing that AI isn't perfect. Human oversight means designing systems where humans can monitor, intervene, and override AI decisions when necessary. As a developer, you're not trying to replace humans, but empower them. Design your AI to be a helpful assistant, not an autonomous ruler, always leaving room for human judgment and control. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.